Hi there foodies, welcome back to Live It with April, where taste meets heart. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a classic Filipino dish that close to my heart. So without further ado, let's get started. Ginisang Monggo is a traditional Filipino dish that is usually prepared by boiling the mung beans first, before sautéing with garlic, onions, tomatoes, and other ingredients. Once the mung bean is tender, set it aside first. Then, in a separate wok, I render the pork meat until the oil comes out. Then, I will use the oil from pork to sauté the garlic, ginger, onions, and tomatoes. the garlic, onions, ginger, and tomatoes are sauteed, this is the perfect time to add the patis to enhance or to bring out the flavor of the pork. Once everything is cooked, I scoop some soup from the boiled mung beans and mix it with the sauteed ingredients until it boils to really infuse all those delicious flavors. We can also add pork cube to enhance the flavor of the dish and making it flavorful and more satisfying. After adding salt and pepper and letting it boil for a few minutes, I add in some ampalaya. You can also add different kinds of vegetables such as malunggay, squash, and ampalaya leaves, spinach, and more to add hearty flavors and nutritions. Adding extra chili can give tantalizing aroma and extra kick to the dish. And there you have it, a hearty and flavorful Ginisang Monggo that's perfect for any meal. I love pairing this dish with pritong isda or pork liampo for a complete and satisfying meal. It's a dish that never fails to bring warmth and comfort to the table. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, when it comes to cooking, always leave it with April. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes on my channel. Bye!